Welcome students, myself Kukreja Rahul, and today we have to learn about the surface area and volume regarding to the cylinder. Okay, so let's start about the surface area and volume. Today we have to learn about the standard 9 mathematics, and today's topic is surface area and volume of the cylinder as per the previous lecture. Okay, so we are learned about the surface area and volume for the cylinder. Okay, for now, for the cylinder we already learnt about the surface area regarding to the cylinder in the previous lecture. Okay, but in the today's lecture we are learned about the volumes of the cylinder. Okay, so let us start without wasting a time to take some example related to the volumes. Okay, so students, let's start. So my first question is that find the volume of the right circular cylinder if the radius of the base and height are 7 cm and 15 cm respectively. So here radius and height are given, that is radius is 7 cm and height is 15 cm are given. Okay, now I have to find the volume of the cylinder. Okay, for the volume of the cylinder my formula is volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. Okay, that is pi r square h. Okay, now I'll take pi, that is 22/7, r that is 7 into 7 into height that is given, that is 15. Now 7 are cancel out, therefore 22 into 7 into 15. Okay, so my answer is 2310 centimeter cube. 2310 centimeter cube. This is my answer. Okay, this is my answer of the first question of the volume. Now we are moving on the second question, that is the area of the base of the right circular cylinder is 154 centimeter square. Okay, in second question that tell us about that the area of the base of the right circular cylinder is 154 centimeter square. Now in this cylinder there is a base that is in the circular portion, so here is the area of the base, that is 154. That's why we have to take area of base is equal to 154 centimeter square, and we have to take area of base as the area of circle. Okay, because in a cylinder there is always circular base are given. Okay, now and height is 15 centimeter. Now height is also given, that is 15 centimeter. Okay, find the volume of the cylinder. Now area of circle, that is area of base, is given, that is 154 centimeter square, and area of circle is 154. So area of circle is, that's my formula is pi r square. Okay, that is equal to 154 centimeter square is given. Okay, now I have to find the volume of the cylinder, that is my volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Here my pi r square already given, that is 154. That's why I'll take value of pi r square as a 154, and height is given, that is 15. So 154 into 15, that is my answer is also 2310 centimeter cube. In that also 2310 centimeter cube. Okay, clear students? Students, one thing I'll tell you about that, we are learning about the surface area and volume regarding to the cylinder, and there is a two types of cylinder we can now use. First is hollow cylinder, that are combination of the two cylinders. In that there are two cylinders, that is outermost cylinder and innermost cylinder. Okay, so I'll give you the design of that to understand easily. Okay, now I'll give you the design of the cylinder, that is we can also find the volume and surface area of this kind of cylinder. Okay, you can see that here is a cylinder. Okay, in this cylinder this is the hollow cylinder. In the this is the hollow cylinder from the middle. This is the hollow cylinder from the middle part of the cylinder, that is this part of the cylinder is the hollow cylinder. Here from here, that's a open, and this part of the cylinder are closed. This part of the cylinder are closed. So for this type of shape we are calling them as a hollow cylinder. And we can see this type of shapes in the our regular life, day-to-day life, like in the hollow pipe. Like a hollow pipe. So you can see that from the middle space there is a hollow, or there is a space between two cylinders. And between these cylinders there is a thickness are also given. We can see the surface area and volume regarding to this type of the also cylinder. Also this type of the cylinder. Now we are moving for the next question, that is circumference of the base of cylinder is 132. Circumference of the base of the cylinder. Base, that means circular portion. Whenever we have to talk about the base of the cylinder, we have to talk about the circle. We are talk about the circle, then circumference of the circle is given, that is 132 centimeter. This is my third question. So circumference, that is 132 centimeter. Okay, and its height is 25 centimeter and height of the cylinder is 25 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. Find the volume of the cylinder. Now in this statement we must want a radius for the finding the volume of the cylinder, because we know about that volume of cylinder, that is my formula is pi r square h. Okay, my formula is pi r square h. In that we must to know about the radius of the circle. So I'll find the radius from the circumference of the circle. So circumference of circle, that is my formula is 2 pi r. Okay, so circumference of circle is given, that is 132 equal to 2 into 22 by 7. I want to find the radius of the circle, so I'll take radius as it is and multiply 7 to the second side. So 132 into 7, and 2 and 22 shifted to second side to divide by 132. Okay, so now I'll take cancellation. 11 2s are 11, 11 1s are 11, 2 22, 11 2s are 22, 2 6s are 12 and 2 3s are 6, that is 7 3s are 21 centimeter, that is my radius of the cylinder. Okay, now I'll take this radius in this question. Okay, now I'll take radius and put the value of radius in this question. So pi is 22 by 7 and radius is, that is 21. Here is a r square, that's why we have to take 21 into 21 into height of the cylinder, that is given as 25 into 25. Okay, now we have to take cancellation. 7 3s are 21, and what is my answer, that is 22 into 3 into 21 into 25. So take multiplication of these questions to find out the answer. Please do the multiplication as soon as fast. What is the answer? That is 34,650. Correct. Okay, that is 34,650 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. Okay, that given as the height is 25 centimeter and radius is 21 centimeter. Now we are moving for the next question. Okay, my next question is also given that for the hollow cylinder, that I already told you that one of the questions are already given as a hollow cylinder. Okay, that is given as a hollow cylinder. Okay, so what is my question? That is, a lead pencil consists of cylinder of wood with a solid cylinder of graphite filled into it. Okay, now as we know that there is a pencil and in the pencil there is a graphite filled into it, so there is a two cylinders we can found in the pencil. Okay, one of the cylinder, that is pencil, and this is my pencil, this is the shape of my pencil. Okay, now in this we have to find the graphite that is also in the cylindrical portion. Okay, we have to find the graphite that is also in the cylindrical portion. Okay, here's some problem in this figure, so I'll rub this and draw again. Okay, okay, now they tell us about that this is this cylinder, this cylindrical portion, that is a lead, there is graphite lead. Okay, there is a graphite, okay, in the pencil, and second one is that is there is outermost cylinder that is known as the pencil. Okay, this is the pencil, this outermost cylinder is the pencil, and in the innermost cylinder, that is a graphite, we have to use. Here is the question, I'll repeat again, that is a lead pencil consists of cylinder wood. This is a lead pencil consists of cylinder wood with a solid cylinder of graphite. This is a solid cylinder with graphite filled into it. Okay, the diameter of the pencil is 7 mm. Here is my diameter of the pencil is 7 mm. Diameter of this total pencil, that is 7 mm, that is 7 mm. Okay, and second one is that is diameter of the graphite, that is my only diameter of graphite, that is my only this part. Okay, only this part. Okay, my diameter of this part, that is given as 1 mm. Okay, now, and the length of the pencil is 14 centimeter, is total length of the pencil, that is 14 centimeter. Okay, first find the volume of the graphite. Second, find the volume of the wood. And third one is weight of the whole pencil if the specific gravity of the wood is 0.7 gram per centimeter cube, and what is the graphite is 2.1 gram per centimeter cube. So students, yes, we have to find the first of all volume of the graphite, that is for the inner cylinder. We have to find the volume of first of all the inner cylinder. So I'll split them. First I'll split this inner cylinder, that is my inner cylinder, that is my graphite, like this. Okay, now my diameter, that is from my diameter is 1 mm. My diameter is 1 mm. So if you want to find the volume of this cylinder, okay, we must to know about the radius of the cylinder. So first of all I'll divide 1 mm to the 2, because of the diameter is equal to 1 mm. So radius is my diameter divided by 2, that is 1 by 2, mm, that is my 0.5 mm, that is my 0.5 mm. Okay, now we have to find the whole of these things in the centimeter, because my height is given, that is 14 centimeter. Okay, so here is a height of the pencil is must be equal to the height of this graphite. Okay, always height of this cylinder is always must be equal to the height of the graphite, because height of the graphite and cylinder are equal. Okay, so I'll take height of this graphite cylinder is equal to the 14 centimeter. Also my height of this graphite, that is also 14 centimeter. This my height is in the 14 centimeter and my radius is 0.5 mm. So I'll first of all convert this 0.5 mm to the centimeter, because all these things we have to find in the centimeter. So I'll convert it, that is in 1 centimeter. In 1 centimeter, that is 10 mm are also available. Okay, my conversion is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. I have to find 0.5 mm for how many centimeter. Okay, so I'll take cross multiplication, 0.5 divided by 10 centimeter, therefore 0.05 centimeter, that is my 0.05 centimeter. So I'll rough all these things to calculate the volume of the graphite cylinder. Okay, so first of all, from all of these things we know that radius of the graphite and height of graphite, that is for the graphite my radius is 0.05 centimeter and my height is 14 centimeter. Okay, for the graphite cylinder my height is 14 centimeter. So I have to find the volume of this graphite. So volume of graphite, that is pi r square h, that is pi r square h. So my pi is 22/7, radius is, that is 0.05, so I'll take as 5/100, 0.05, that is 5/100 into 5/100 into height is 14. So first of all cancel out this situation, that is 7 2s are 14 and 5 1s are 5 20s are 5 1s are 5 20s are, now 2 1s are 2 10s are. Okay, now here, that is 11 2s are 22 and 2 10s are 2 11s are and 2 10s are, that is my 11/100, that is my 0.11 centimeter cube. My volume is 0.11 centimeter cube. Okay, here is my volume, that is 0.11 centimeter cube. So now we have to now find the volume of the wood. Okay, now we have to find the volume of the wood. For that my diameter is 7 mm, that is given. I'll draw the figure at here. Okay, so my figure is this is my figure. Okay, so as per we know that 14 centimeter, that is my height of the pencil, is must be equal to the height of the graphite also. So my height for the both of them are equal. Now my diameter for the graphite, that is 1 mm. My diameter of the graphite, that is 1 mm. So therefore my radius is that is 0.05 mm. So this portion is 0.05 centimeter. Sorry, I converted it into the centimeter, so I'll write now it in centimeter. Now we have to know about the diameter of the pencil, that is 7 mm. First of all, diameter of the pencil, that is 7 mm. First thing, I have to convert diameter into the radius. So for the radius is 7 by 2 mm. 7 by 2 mm. So 7 by 2 mm, that is my 3.5 mm. 7 by 2, that is my 3.5. Okay, now I have to convert this mm into the centimeter, because my height is given into the centimeter, so that's easy for me to find. So as we know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm, so 3.5 mm is equal to how much centimeter? So that for that, multiply 3.5 into the 1 and divide by 10. So 3.5 divided by 10, that is my answer is 0.35 centimeter. My answer is 0.35 centimeter. So now this one radius, for this one radius and for the height of the pencil, we have to find the volume of the pencil. Okay, volume of the wood. Okay, as you say, what you say? Okay, whatever you say. Okay, so now we have to find the radius of the pencil, that is 0.35. Now we have to find the volume of the pencil, that is, first of all we have to find the volume of the pencil. Volume of pencil, that is pi r square h. Pi is 22 by 7 into radius of the pencil, that is 35 by 100 into 35 by 100 into height of the cylinder, that is 14. Now 7 ones are 7 twos are cancel out. Okay, 5 sevens are 5 20s are 5 sevens are 5 20s are 2 tens are 10 and 2 11s are 2 tens are, that is my answer is 7 sevens are 49 by 100. So my volume is 0.49 centimeter cube. That is my volume of the pencil, that is 0.49 centimeter cube. Now I have to find the volume of the wood. So for the volume of the wood, that is volume of pencil minus volume of pencil, that is minus volume of graphite. Okay, volume of pencil minus volume of graphite. So as per the, we know that there is a wood that told as volume of wood, that is this part. Okay, here that they told us the wood, that is a part that is between of them. Okay, my this part is my volume of the wood. Okay, so I'll remove that. So I'll remove graphite from the pencil to remain volume of the wood. So volume of pencil, that is 0.49, minus volume of graphite, that is 0.11. So my answer is 0.9 minus 1 8, 4 minus 1 3, 0.38 centimeter cube. My answer is 0.38 centimeter cube. That is my volume of wood. Here is some mistake, that is students, here is my mistake, that I forgot to multiply 11 to the 7 sevens are 49. So I'll multiply 11 to the 49. So 11 into 49, that is my answer is 11 into 49, that is 539. Okay, 539 divided by 100, that is 5.39 centimeters cube. Okay, that is my 5.39 centimeter cube. Now we have to find the 5.39 minus 0.11, that is my answer is 9 minus 1 8, 3 minus 1 2, that is 5.28 centimeter cube. That is my volume is 5.28 centimeter cube of the volume of the wood. That's my volume of the wood. Okay, understand students? Clear all of these things? Okay, so I hope you have to understand all of these things and clear all of these things in the today's lesson. Okay, if you have any doubt, then please notify me. Okay, so students, I hope you have to clear. In the today's session we have to learn about the volume of the cylinders. Okay, now another session we have to done for the volume. Okay, so that till then we have to complete this lecture at here. Okay, so students, till then, goodbye and stay blessed.